Imagine yourself in this 2009 Holden Commodore.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Rest assured, safety elements are included to provide you with a secure ride.
If you're looking for a first-rate vehicle, this one could be yours today.